Whether the movie is related to Sridevi ji or not, that's up to you guys to decide. You guys have to watch the movie and then decide if it's related to her story or not.
Is this about the incident that happened during her sad demise? Because even if she died in the same position, what we have seen in the teaser. Or are you successful? Your marketing strategy, your marketing team successful? What you want audience to think about it.
As I said, it's up to you guys to decide if there's anything in the story which relates to Sridevi. So yeah.
Did you ever thought with your winking style make you so famous?
Not at all. That was an on-the-spot thing that we did. I never expected it to be this viral or accepted in any ways. But then I'm very happy and I'm feeling very blessed that it happened.
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Sorry?
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Yes, I'll be the female center role. I'll be playing Sridevi, who's an actress, who's a lady superstar in the movie.
Francis, good to see you.
What about your first
Likewise, brother.
one which is not
My first movie, which is Oru Adar Love.
Yeah, Malayalam.
Yeah, it is a Malayalam movie and it's going to be released on Feb 14th in 4 languages, which is going to be happening the very first time for a Malayalam movie being released in 4 languages. It's going to be released in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada.
Kerala people, can you say some word for? I'm here from Kerala people. Can you say some word for?
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ ടീസർ, ആദ്യത്തെ ഹിന്ദി പടത്തിൻ്റെ ടീസർ ഇപ്പോൾ റിലീസായിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവരും കാണുക, ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. എല്ലാവരെയും പ്രാർത്ഥന വേണം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഒരു ഹിന്ദി മൂവി ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരെയും സപ്പോർട്ടും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും വേണം മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ.
प्रिया जी, आपने जैसा कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में देखा, आपने अपने अंदाज से सारी दुनिया का जो है दिल जीत लिया था. इस फिल्म में कौन सी ऐसी आपकी स्टाइल होगी, आपके ऐसे अंदाज होंगे जो सभी को बहुत पसंद आने वाले? क्योंकि मैं ट्रेलर देखा, टीजर देखा, जितना भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो आपके कौन सी स्टाइल होगी जो लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आने वाली है?
In this movie, I think the director has a lot of faith in me, and I really want to do justice to the role. And the character is a very bubbly person. At the same time, she's very bold, and she's very outspoken also. So I hope that I do justice to it. Yeah.
And it's really good to see you.
Hey, thank
start
you.
with you. Though you belong to, there is no as such industry Tollywood as she said rightly inside, but you know Bollywood very well. So, sir, I hope I can understand your emotions, but we have to hear. Sir, really good to see you. Do you feel as an individual, because you have been part of the Hindi film industry and you have seen Sridevi's work, and you also witnessed the sad incident? Does it give you a feel it is a story about Sridevi, how she died?
I mean, it definitely creates a curiosity. It does create a curiosity, you're right about that. But then, whether the film has anything to do with that will only be answered when the film releases. So, I don't want to kill your curiosity.
Do you think it is right and cash something which is not that good?
I don't think that was the idea. Because it's been a long time in works and in production and in writing and in preparation. So, but like I said, we don't want to reveal anything right now, and which is going to affect the fate of the film.
If I talk about you, what character will see you playing in the film?
It's a very interesting role. I've never done this before, and when Prashant Bhai, when he narrated it to me, I was excited. I was like, this is something that I've never done before. It's a very complex, complicated, yet at the same time sophisticated, flamboyant. And you never can tell, that which way it's going to go.
And Priya, what do you want to say about your preparation in the film?
Is your playing Sridevi? So how is your preparation and how is the experience with this character?
As I told you guys, it's just my second movie, so I think I can do my best here, and I'm preparing well for it. I've not done any homeworks as such, but then I think I can do it.
Where you about to enter Bollywood? Do you have any favorites? Have you seen Bollywood movies? Do you have any favorite actors or actresses which you
I do watch a lot of Bollywood movies, and my favorite is obviously Deepika Padukone. Who doesn't love her? The actor is obviously Ranveer Singh.
एंड प्रिया जी कब, क्योंकि उरी की स्क्रीनिंग में भी आपकी मुलाकात हुई रणवीर सिंह से, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स से मुलाकात हुई, तो कुछ आपकी बातें हुई कि आपका भी प्रोजेक्ट उनके साथ में करने की, एंड वहाँ पर हमने देखा विकी कौशल भी थे, वरुण धवन भी थे, तो अगर आप कुछ बता सकें हमें।
It was the very first time that I'm meeting all these people, so it was very new to me, but then I really had a great time watching Uri. Uri is a really nice movie, and it was really sweet of Vicky Kaushal to invite me to the screening. I got to talk to a lot of people there, and they were really sweet to me. They were very welcoming, which was really overwhelming for me.
Yeah, the historic wing of yours. Have you repeated again after that sometime? After that, the historic wing?
I've done it a lot of times in front of media. Other than that, I've not winked at any guy or anything.
So Priya, जब बॉलीवुड का आप हिस्सा हो, आप बॉलीवुड में एंटर करने जा रहे हैं, अभी हाल ही में आज एक न्यूज़ आई है कि राजकुमार रानी पे उन पे केस किया गया है कि सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट को लेकर, और विक्की भी उस फिल्म का हिस्सा थे। उस पर आपका क्या कहना है, और आप भी बॉलीवुड का हिस्सा होने, या कुछ फियर भी आपके मन में इस तरह की बातें आप सुनती हैं?
I don't know how to answer to that question actually. Yeah, obviously everyone has this tension when they are entering into the film industry. Obviously everyone has that. But then I've dreamt of becoming an actress from a very young age. So that's my dream. So all the tensions apart, I really want to do this.
Yeah, Sridevi was very good in dancing. How are you dancing?
I've learned classical dance when I was young, and I think I can manage to dance also.
You can manage, but
Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm a great dancer, but then yeah, I can manage to dance.
So then it's a film, right? So it's teamwork. So the choreographer comes in, then there's rehearsals. So finally the end product is going to be much better than her capability, right? It's teamwork.
Where you working with Priyanju? Have you seen any of this what
Yes, I've seen a lot of his works. Yeah.
he's senior than you? What
Yes,
you
of
be
course.
learning from him?
Yes, I'm gonna get a lot to learn from him.
प्रियांशु, happy New Year to both of you.
Same to you.
You have surprised everyone with your coming in the new year with unannounced. Was it a plan? Amaze everyone and come down in this industry and make an announcement? Because no one knew that you were coming here and you started appearing everywhere.
It was not planned. When the director came up with the script, I found it very interesting, and it's a heroine-oriented movie, so I felt the script was very strong. So it would give me a good start in Bollywood. So I thought I'd go with it.
हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल है बोलने में?
हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हूँ, पर थोड़ा सा अटक जाऊंगी बीच में तो.
अच्छी बोल रही है.
What about the location? Malayalam movie location and Hindi location?
ओके प्रियांशु, आप दोनों से सवाल है क्योंकि जब हम ट्रेलर जो हमने अभी तक देखा, जितना भी टीजर हमने देखा, वो हम सबको या कोई भी देखेगा और जो भी श्रीदेवी को जानता है या उनका फैन रहा है, एक जहन में सवाल आता है, क्या ये श्रीदेवी की जो उनका देहांत हुआ उसके कहानी, क्या आपको इस बात का डर है कहीं श्रीदेवी के घर से इस बात को लेकर ऑब्जेक्ट करें कि
ये सवाल आपका वाजिब है, लेकिन ये सवाल हमारी तरफ ना बनता है, ये बनता है प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर की तरफ, क्योंकि हम लोग तो सिर्फ टीम का हिस्सा हैं, अपना अपना किरदार निभाएंगे, तो बुलाइए.
I'd like to stick to what he said.
Priya, you have to be on independent.
का पार्ट बनना चाहती है जो हाल में रिलीज हुई है हिंदी में. अगर आपको एक अवसर दिया जाता है, you would have given a chance. Which film would you like to be part of?
Like very recently?
Yeah, recently.
अच्छी बोलती हो आपने, बोली.
मैं चाहूँगी कि सिम्बा का पार्ट बनो.
और मेरा आँख मारे.
हाँ, लड़की आँख मारे. हाँ. ओके.
और रणवीर सिंह से आप मिलिए, आपने कहा नहीं कि भाई सारा की जगह मुझे होना चाहिए था.
देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ रूमर्स दैट मैं कर रही हूँ सिम्बा में, और आई विश दैट वाज ट्रू बिकॉज आई एम अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ हिज। मैंने उनको देखा कल और मैंने बताया उनको कि आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स, और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आई रियली लाइक योर विंक, विच वाज ओवरवेलमिंग फॉर मी।
लोगों को सालों लग जाते हैं रणवीर सिंह को पास पहुंचने में और सेल्फी लेने में, आपने तो मुंबई में आने के 48 घंटे में ही काम कर लिया।
I'd like to thank Vicky for that, for inviting me to watch Uri. बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि रणवीर सिंह आने वाले थे, और I was literally freezing there watching him come. He is such an energetic person, and I think there's a lot that someone has to learn from him as an actor.
आपको एहसास है कि अब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आ रही हैं, आपको आलिया भट्ट, जानवी, सारा, इन लोगों के समकक्ष नापा जाएगा और यू विल बी इन द लीग और compete among themselves. आप इसको कैसे देखती हैं?
They're all very senior actors, first of all, and they're doing their work very well. I just want to do my thing and create an own space for myself. That's it.
आपका जो स्पेशल जो आप करने वाला जो वायरल हो गया था, इस साल में कुछ नया कुछ देने का है लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि लोग आपके लिए उस वीडियो से आपका नाम बना, पूरे मुंबई में, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में, पूरे इंडिया में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में आपका नाम, तो कुछ ऐसा है जो इस साल आप लेंगे?
अभी तो सब लोग ऐसे विंक के जैसे ही जानते हैं, पर what I want is कि people accept me as an actress as a whole, not just about the wink.
प्रिया, can you give me your offering? नहीं, मैं एक और लेंगे, मैं एक और on the count of 3, हाँ?
वो इनको अकेला करना दीजिए,
Oh yeah, 2.